Hey guys, what's up? This is sahilvatsyt and today we are going to do the unboxing of Photron exquisite keyboard. Okay, so let's start it. So if you see the box, this is the front side of the box and you see some feature and some labeling and you can see the image of the keyboard also. This is a very basic keyboard. Okay, and it is available for rupees 299 only, that is 300 rupees only on Amazon. Okay, so here it is written that the system supported is Windows 2000 XP, Vista 7, 8 and 10. So all Windows are supported with this. Okay, and it can work with PC or Mac both. Okay, and this is ultra silent and also for ergonomic. Okay, so also this is a USB keyboard, so you don't need any software or something. You only need an USB port. Okay, so we will also see whether it works for phone also, like you can use the OTG cable or not, so we can check on that also. Okay, so now let's go on to some other side. This side you get same thing. Okay, so nothing new. Okay, so if I tell you about the packaging, I received the package like this only. So the packaging is quite not good, I felt. Okay, at the back, let me just cut off my extra thing. Okay, so this was basically the bill. Okay, so let me just rotate it up. Okay, so here you can see that some specifications are written over here. The importer is Photronics okay, Limited, and the month of manufacture is September 2017. Okay, and this customer care ID they have given, and MRP which is written over here is 990 rupees, that is 1000, but it is available for 300 rupees only on Amazon. Okay, right here they have given some 12 common complex multimedia hotkey, or you can say shortcuts for using things. Okay, and this is it has a waterproof design since it has some drainage holes in the bottom side of the keyboard, which discharge the liquid out of the keyboard so that it can prevent the possibility of the short circuit. Okay, so that was all for this. Now let's just open up the keyboard and see how is it. Okay, so the packaging is okay, not much good. Okay, so here you get this keyboard. Okay, so this is the keyboard. So this is the very basic keyboard, as I already told you. So let me just remove the polythene. Okay, so let's just see how is it. So you can see over here you get a USB cable in which you can put on your laptop or desktop. Okay, so you need not any software other than this. You just need to plug it in like the USB pen drive. Okay, and let's see what are the holes. So here you can see these are the holes which they have given for the waterproof design. Okay, so whenever the water comes over here, so it drain out from these holes. Okay, so so if I tell you about the keys, so I am not quite handy with these keyboards, so that's why I ordered it for basically gaming and also to improve the typing speed. Okay, so I'm not quite handy. I am handy with the laptop keyboard, which is basically just like the touch screen keyboard only. So because the buttons are very less popped up. Okay, so it just feels like that you are doing touch and typing. So in this I can feel that I am doing some typing, so it is giving me the feel of a typewriter. Okay, so the keys are smooth and you got some little bit images of the shortcut features over here, F1, F2, F12. Okay, and here also these are basic. Okay, here also these are basic one. Okay, so now let's just see whether it works in a phone or not. Okay, so now you can see guys, I have connected my keyboard with OTG cable on my phone. So let's check it out whether it works or not. So I have just opened a usual chat of WhatsApp and let me just write down something. So I'm writing sahilvatsyt and it is working perfect. So I really like this one. Okay, so this is working with phone also, so I can practice my typing speed with phone also, so I don't have to keep the laptop on. Okay, so I like this. Okay, so I can use it with phone also now. You can see it is working good. Okay, you can see the output over here. So I can play gaming also. I can do gaming also in phone, like Free Fire. Okay, I can do on phone. I have mouse also. I'll just see where to put the mouse. Okay, so it's working great. I don't have any issue. So the keyboard is nice. Okay, and if I get any of the shortcoming of this keyboard, I'll mention in the comment section. Okay, and if you have any doubt regarding this keyboard, you can also mention in the comment section. I will be very happy to help you. So that was all for this video. Thank you guys for watching this video, and if you like this video, you can give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Okay guys, bye bye. We'll meet you in the next video.